So now we are moving on to the first application. That was second application. This is first application. First application says you can use dimension formula to convert a physical quantity from one system to another system. Here a simple example is given. How I am going to convert a CGS system to MK system, that is SI unit. So for example, here 76 centimeters of mercury, that is in CGS system, that is going to be converted in terms of Newton meter per square, that is SI unit. Pressure has the value of force by area, so it is N into, like it's a unit, Newton meter per square, like it is your SI unit. So CGS system, 76 centimeters of mercury, that is what the pressure is. That is P is equal to, in your 9th standard you have studied, P is equal to H rho G. So using that, here it is given only H is given. So H is 76 centimeters. Then rho is 13.6. Then G is 980. So substituting this dyne per centimeter square. This is in CGS system. But I need to convert this in another unit or another system of units. So first I will find out what is the dimension formula for pressure, which is given as M L power minus 1 T power minus 2, because again force per area, force is given to be mass into acceleration. So it will be mass into acceleration divided by the area, which gave me this dimension formula. So this is the first unit, that is CGS system. Then this is the second unit, which is MK system. So P1 into all the quantities of first one, power A, B, C. This is second system. So I write it P2, M2, L2, T2, power A, B, C. Now my ultimate aim is to find out this P2 value, P2. So I am going to keep this in left hand side, move all the other things to the right hand side. That is simple. You just move all the other things to this side, to the left hand side. Then what happens here, all the 2, M2 will come here, then L2 will come here, T2 will come here. So everything is power the same. So I can write it as M1 divided by M2 power A, then correspondingly power B, correspondingly power C. I just need to rewrite in terms of its unit. What is M1? It's 1 gram. M2, 1 kilogram. Then like that, this is 1 centimeter. L2 is 1 meter. Then T1 and T2 is the same, 1 second. Now here I understand that it is all 1. So A is also 1, B is also 1, C is also 1. So just like that, substitute here. So on substituting here, A is equal to 1, B is equal to, so now A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1, C is equal to minus 2. That is what I compare here and write. So I just need to substitute all the values now. So P1, in the place of P1, I write this value. Then 1 gram divided by 1 kg, 1 centimeter by 1 meter, 1 second by 1 second. Powers are also substituted now. But now I need to convert both. Convert the CGS into SI system. So both are written in kg itself. 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. So 10 power minus 3. Then how many centimeters make 1 meter? 100 centimeters. So 10 power minus 2. It is the same. So you can just like that leave it. So here what will I get is at last this quantity, then into 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 2. But here you have minus 2 into minus 1. So that turns to plus 2. Okay. So when you write it at last, when you multiply all these terms, and then at last you will arrive that it is 1.01 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. That is the value of pressure in SI unit.